Only genius mind can answer. If you are and accept the challenge, let's start. Number 1. Take off my skin, I won't cry, but you will. What am I? And it's onion. Number 2. What is always coming but never arrive? Who is that? It's tomorrow. Number 3. When you add 2 to 11 and get answer is 1. What is that? You have 10 seconds to answer the riddle. In the clock. Number 4. I have head and tail, but not a body. What am I? That's coin. Number 5. Say my name and I'm no more. What am I? That's silence. Number 6. What can you hold in your right hand but never in left hand? Your left hand. So thank you for watching this video, and how many answers you respond correctly, comment under the video and subscribe Mathvbn channel for more videos, common sense questions, riddles, mathematics questions, tips, and thank you once again to watch this video.